Hi everyone! Today we're checking out a really fun sensor. DFRobot's Gravity, Offline Edge AI Gesture and Face Detection Sensor. This little powerhouse can recognize 5 preset gestures. Detect face positions. Track face coordinates all offline. Let's get it up and running in today's video. First up, let's look at the hardware setup. Top here is the gesture indicator light. It lights up different colors when spotting gestures. Right below sits the face detection light that activates when it sees you. It packs an 85 degrees wide-angle camera with 1.56mm focal length, specifically tuned for close-range interactions, within 0.5 to 3 meters. It handles millisecond-level face and gesture recognition, perfect for touch-free interfaces, human-robot collaboration, or interactive installations. Check this out, DFRobot's signature gravity interface means true plug-and-play. Absolute wiring lifesaver. Over here's the I2C or UART communication mode switch. The 3.3 volt to 5 volt wide voltage design plays nice with Arduino, ESP32, and microbit. What's more, it supports not only Arduino IDE but also MindPlus and MakeCode graphical programming. Just drag, drop, and build AI projects. Beginners can jump right in. Now, let's follow the official tutorial to give it a try. Grab a DFR1139 Fire Beetle 2 ESP32E. Connect the module. And flip the sensor's COM switch to I2C mode. Next, using Arduino IDE, download the library files, add them in IDE, then pull the sample code from the wiki. Upload to your ESP32E. The camera initializes and starts scanning. When it spots a face, that face indicator light turns white. Then, make an OK gesture. The gesture indicator lights up green instantly. Meanwhile, the serial monitor prints real-time data showing face coordinates. Score shows current face recognition accuracy. While gesture 2, the built-in second gesture successfully confirms our OK gesture was caught. Now flip the COM switch to UART and reconnect. Again, upload the UART sample code through Arduino IDE. The sensor periodically outputs head counts. For example, faces detected. 1 means one face is recognized in the frame. Handles up to 10 people simultaneously. Master the basic use of both I2C and UART? Let's level up with a human tracking fan project. Quick demo first. When the camera sees my face, the face indicator light turns on. I make an OK gesture, and the fan spins up immediately, following my movement. Then I make a stop gesture, and the fan stops right away. Okay, let's build it step by step. Here's all the hardware needed. DFRobot Uno or 3-in expansion board. DC motor fan. AI visual gesture and face tracking sensor. Clutch servo. We've also designed a 3D printed bracket for secure assembly. You can download the files directly from the project link in the video description. First, connect sensor, servo, and fan to the Arduino Uno 3 expansion board as shown. Open Arduino IDE and upload the sample code. After uploading, the serial monitor continuously outputs phase coordinates 0 to 620 range, mapped to horizontal position. You can see the data updating live here. We'll use this to steer the fan. When the sensor recognizes my OK gesture, it outputs gesture equals 2, and the fan turns on. At this point, the program maps phase coordinates 0, 620 to servo angles 10 degree, 170 degree, sending real-time commands to align the fan with your face. True wind follows you action. When I make a stop gesture, the sensor recognizes gesture equals 3, and the fan stops. Of course, this is just the start of using this sensor. What else could you build? For example, a wireless smart home gesture control system, an intelligent people counting device. Basically, think touch-free and smart, that's its sweet spot. Overall, this is a lightweight yet feature-rich AI vision sensor. If you need quick gesture control, face tracking, or motion sensing projects, grab this. What would you create with it? Hit me in the comments. Like, subscribe, and comment if this helped. Catch you guys next time.